Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do this cool angled double Dutch braid. First you're going to start off with doing an angled part in the front like a triangle. Then you're going to make another angle down the head from that corner in the middle of her head and then tie off with an elastic. Now we're going to start our double Dutch braids. We're going to start from this section and we're going to do a Dutch braid. You're going to just section it off, get 3 pieces, and in a Dutch braid you're taking the sides and crossing them under the middle strands. And you're going to do this all the way down to the corner once you reach the first triangle. Now we're going to start angling it down, and then you're going to continue doing the Dutch braid all the way down till you have no hair. Now we're going to start doing a Dutch braid from this triangle part, and you're going to braid it all the way down until there's no hair left again. Get to about here, you're going to turn the braid and braid down so the back of the braids look like double Dutch braids. And this is what the back should look like, and the sides. Now I'm going to add some cute gold accessories. I'm just going to add one to the top of this triangle, and then I'll add the other one on the other side of the braid. And that's it. Here's the finished look. I hope you like it.
like, comment, and subscribe.